Take my blessing. Everybody, let's go. I see my man nigga right now. We gotta raise your money. Everybody, yeah, bro. I know you. Shut it down. Hey. Shut it down. I know you say, I know you say, hey. What you're saying is nothing. I know you. What you're saying? Turn up. Everybody now say, hey. Listen up. I can picture this. What's here? Hey. Everybody jaw. What's here? Hey, no one you tell. Shut it in. You gotta sway this money. What's your right now? Say, Ebezina, who's up? What's up?
If I speak English,
hey. All the guys on the show.
I know what punish you. I want to punish you. If you see my baby, you go shut.
Listen up. Say, I'ma get to find baby. Okay, baby, like that, no. Finish work for you. What's up? Hey.
Just no one leave. Show money for my guys. In this case, really push your face on low. Don't play with me, I do this. I look at competition. My enemy Nasaba. Hey. Cause I lose guy. Only matter, man, still Martin, inshallah. Start to the brand. In my head, all people do say sometimes it feels very hard. In my dream.
Say, when I see you on your way, stay your struggle. What's up? Are you ready right now? Say, that girl. She got it. She got. Bring it up. She wanna feel it. Bring it up. Friends of the group, the stage is not very strong. Please, let's step down. Let's step down, please. I'm not saying we should not vibe, but the stage is not very strong. Please.